The Elikliv EDM501 HDMI digital microscope with a 10.1-inch IPS screen is a technological marvel that redefines precision and clarity in the world of microscopy. This upgraded version from the Elikliv EDM201 series boasts several enhanced features, making it a versatile tool for various applications such as PCB board repair, watch maintenance, phone repair, and coin observation. At the heart of this digital microscope is an upgraded 24MP sensor, providing a sharp and detailed color image that surpasses the market standard 12MP sensors. This advancement allows users to observe intricate details and subtle movements with exceptional clarity. The microscope's application extends to a wide range of tasks, making it a valuable asset for professionals and hobbyists alike. The 10.1-inch IPS screen is a standout feature, offering vivid and saturated colors for an immersive viewing experience. With a full 178-degree viewing angle, the digital microscope ensures premium visibility when sharing the screen with family or friends. The screen's extended use is comfortable, as it eliminates issues like ghosting, stuttering, or tearing, thereby protecting the user's eyes during prolonged observations. An upgraded polarizer filter sets this microscope apart from others in the market. The polarizer is designed to reduce or compensate for bright light, allowing for sharper images without unwanted reflections. This optimization significantly improves the quality of observations, especially in situations where other microscopes may struggle with light spots. The Elikliv EDM501 comes with a larger 56-inch squared black metal base, providing ample space for tasks like PCB soldering or electronic repairs. The matte black finish helps prevent light reflection, enhancing visibility when examining shiny objects. The longer 10-inch stand column allows users to see the entire coin easily, eliminating the need for additional extensions or adjustments. One of the innovative features is the rechargeable gooseneck lights. These lights can be used without any wires when fully charged, offering convenience and flexibility during observations. The 8 adjustable LED illuminators, along with 2 extra auxiliary lights, ensure that specimens are clear and bright, even in dark environments. The HDMI and USB outputs expand the functionality of the microscope. It can be connected to any TV or monitor with an HDMI port, making it suitable for use in labs, factories, classrooms, or at home. Additionally, the USB output allows connection to a PC, providing a larger view range. The microscope supports plug-and-play functionality with Win 10 for HDMI and Photo Booth in iMac, MacBook for USB. The inclusion of a convenient remote control further enhances the user experience. The IR remote control allows users to take photos, record videos, zoom in, and zoom out with ease, avoiding any screen shake and providing precise control. In conclusion, the Elikliv EDM501 HDMI digital microscope with 10.1-inch IPS screen stands at the forefront of digital microscopy technology. With its upgraded sensor, IPS screen, polarizer filter, and various other features, it offers a comprehensive solution for professionals and enthusiasts seeking a high-quality and versatile digital microscope for their intricate tasks and observations.